Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best stair steppers. I made this list based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the stair steppers in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best stair steppers on the market right now. Coming at number 8, we've got the Jacob's Ladder Gronk Edition. If you could combine a treadmill, exercise bike, elliptical, and stair climber into one single product, you would probably get something like this machine. Think of it like that rope ladder game at the fair, without the worry of it flipping you upside down. It has ladder-type rungs you climb on a non-motorized continuous treadmill. The system is entirely self-paced, so the faster you go, the faster it goes. The Jacob's Ladder delivers a full-body cardio workout and comes fully assembled. Coming at number 7, Precor CLM 835. For those in search of a commercial-grade stair stepper for home use, look no further than this option for Precor. It's packed with premium and durable commercial-grade components, but won't hog up a bunch of space. This model features 14 pre-programmed workouts, 31 resistance levels, and fixed handlebars to ensure your lower body gets the ultimate workout. It's also much quieter and sturdier than other options. Number 6, Jacob's Ladder Stairway Cardio Conditioning Treadmill Stepper. If you're a gym owner who wants some of the best equipment without having to drop nearly $10,000 on a Stairmaster step mill, we think you and your gym members will love this Jacob's Ladder Stepper. In fact, a personal trainer from the Denver Athletic Club said it's his client's most loved and hated piece of gym equipment. That's because it really gets a burn going. We found out that the Jacob's Ladder was much more durable than the more affordable Stairmaster SM3 step mill. It has a rotating staircase, and the speed of the stairs is controlled by tension of a waist belt you wear while using it. The higher you go and more steps you take, the faster the stairs come. If you slow down, the flow of the stairs will too. This provides a safer machine that will let its users always feel like they are in control. You'll need at least an 8.5-foot ceiling for this monster. It features a computer and integrated display and shows the number of stairs climbed, your rate, steps per minute, elapsed time, and calories burned. It can also detect your heart rate via a wireless strap. Coming in at number 5, Best Choice Products Total Body 2-in-1 Vertical Climber and Exercise Bike. This option is essentially a mashup between the popular Maxi Climber machine and an exercise bike. It's a perfect option for those who get bored easily and like to mix up their cardio regimen. It's easy to use, setup takes about 25 minutes, and it works well for all fitness levels. Trust us, you'll definitely get a full body workout, burn calories, and develop muscle over time. The machine has 8 levels of resistance and a display screen to track your workout. It has a weight capacity of 330 pounds and can fold up to be stowed when it's not in use. Coming at number 4, Bowflex Max Trainer M7 Stair Stepper Machine. Compared to other steppers, this one allows you to easily set, monitor, and track your fitness goals. And since it's Bluetooth compatible, you can even stream video content from professional trainers with Bowflex's Max Trainer app on your phone or tablet. Besides its smart features, we appreciate the M7's compact space-saving design and its stainless steel handlebars, which conveniently have buttons for adjusting resistance. This Bowflex machine is a top-of-the-line stepper made with commercial-grade parts. It supports up to 300 pounds and comes pre-programmed with 11 workout programs. which you can monitor via its two displays. If you have a larger budget, consider opting for the newer Bowflex M8, which is packed with more workout programs and extra resistance levels, and it offers the ability to track more users' workouts. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness number 045 Twister Stair Stepper Machine. Like working out at a friend's house or enjoy an extra dose of cardio after your afternoon yoga class? This mini stair stepper is an excellent option. It's less than 2 feet tall and only weighs 20 pounds, so you can easily toss it in the trunk to work out anywhere. You'll quickly form a love-hate relationship with its digital LCD display, which shows total step count, time, and calories burned. It'll make you proud after your workout is complete, but during it, the display will mock you throughout your uphill battle. That seems like it'll never end. A Pop Sugar editor said the stepper changed the way she exercised, adding that within minutes she had worked up a sweat, burned 100 calories, and was feeling muscle tension in her calves and thighs. Not only can you step up and down on this steel-constructed tool, but you can also twist side to side on the pedals. Pair that with the ability to use the included resistant bands, and you can tone your arms, legs, glutes, and back while you're at it. It even comes in pink. Coming at number 2, Stamina Spacemate Folding Stair Stepper Machine. Tight on space? You'll appreciate the fold-up design of this stepper that easily stashes away when not in use. The machine, which only takes 15 minutes to install, comes with 2 resistance hydraulic cylinders that provide a smooth stepping motion. Depending on how hard of a workout you want to have, you can adjust the resistance in terms of how much effort and strength you need to push the pedals. The small monitor between the foam-covered handlebars can track your steps per minute, steps during the workout, and the time and calories burned. The machine supports up to 250 pounds and will have you dripping sweat in less than 30 minutes. Number 1. ProForm Cardio HIIT Trainer. In terms of overall value, we think this stair stepper from ProForm is the best option for those who want to get their cardio fix at home. It's much more affordable than other fold-up steppers you can buy online and will give you a more intense workout. That's because your feet travel on a 10-inch vertical while simultaneously going on a 5-inch horizontal elliptical path. This effectively replicates stair climbing and triggers your calves, hammies, and quads. If you're holding onto the handlebars, you'll also get an arm workout and build biceps and triceps. The climber has 32 built-in programs and in-handle controls. Plus, it measures your heart rate and it offers 24 resistance levels. There's a fan and even a spot for your water bottle and your tablet. Its frame is backed by a lifetime warranty, and parts and labor are covered for 3 years and 1 year, respectively. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best stair stepper. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.